Hopefully that front settles down. Nope. Well, what's going on, guys? I have not posted anything in a long time. Been doing a lot of trail riding on my Gas 300 that we just got this towards the end of this season. We're back to RC car stuff since I started messing around with my little 1/24th scale crawler course, and I was having fun with it, so I figured it might make for an interesting video. We've got an FMS FCX24 chassis with some high clearance brass links and brass portal hubs. Little Guy Racing's product, Swamp King tires, because those seem to actually do pretty damn well. And then the body is a model Jeep ZJ I found on eBay for way too much money, because it's just difficult to find a ZJ body in general, especially one that happens to fit this car, and some janky body mounts I 3D printed up for it. Seems to actually do pretty damn good for rock crawling. Struggle to get up the obstacle as I say that. It's just unfortunate that these things don't have not a great way to get good suspension in them, or a great way to add a 2-speed transmission to the TRX4M. So what I want is 2-speed with TRX4M, but 2-speed, and I could have a little baby Ultra 4 car, but not today. And why the 2-speed is nice is, say you're trying to climb a sandy hill like this, and the first speed is just not getting it done. Click her into high range, and up you go. And it's easier with 2 hands to drive the car, because then you can click it back into low range, and now we're back ready to crawl rocks. And there we go. Come over here and see if we can make this little climb happen. We've got this mud feature here. I'll splash some video of a TRX4 in going through, because this thing's not waterproof. I know the TRX4 is, so we buried the TRX4 pretty good in that. Needs a lot more shmoo. So yeah, the TRX4 is fun to play with in the mud because it's waterproof. I don't think any of these other tiny 24th scales are. So the mud's just going to be a TRX4 thing, as much as I really want to drag this through the mud. I don't want to ruin the electronics, and that body is A, way too expensive for a body, and B, I don't think I could replace it if I break anything on it. So I'm really careful about not wanting to roll it, because those ZJ bodies are really, it's an obscure model car, like a model car kit from literally from the 90s to get that body. So just go straight this way. Do I have enough weight in the front to make that? Yes, we do. And the reason I like these FCX24s so much is it damn near crawls like a brushless car, but the whole car is $150, and even with these huge tires, because you get the gear reduction at the portal, you get a pretty good crawl ratio. I think it'll pull up and over. Alright, and we're making it up and over now. Come down the little slip and slide. Alright. And then we'll take it back through the sand dunes I made up here. Looks like these Swamp King tires actually do, I'm not driving this one through the mud, but in the sand they do seem to do pretty good at floating and getting a lot of grip. I know especially on rocks they are like super sticky. Swamp Kings are probably the best tire I've tried so far. Pretty smooth river rock. And we flipped it. You didn't see that. Alright, because this is, seems to be, especially with the high clearance links and these big tires and brass portal hubs to get the weight down low. This thing seems to be about as point and shoot as you can get. Up we go. come back down the other side now. Try to come through our little notch in the sand here. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, I figured I'd make a quick video today in case anybody finds this stuff interesting with these little tiny rock crawlers. They're fun to kill time when there's nothing else to do and we can't actually go riding. Doing a lot of riding on my gas cats. We haven't been recording any trails because it's been... I don't think anybody will watch it, being honest. I don't think anybody will watch this, but if you found this interesting, let me know. I've got a ProMoto MX showing up tomorrow as I record this, hopefully. And yeah, it's a little tiny RC dirt bike that could be fun, could be not. I'll see when it gets here. If that sounds like something that could be interesting, let me know and I can maybe make another video. And we can just blast up that in 2-speed, which is why that 2-speed is so freaking nice to have. Hopefully you guys found that interesting. I'll see you later.